Yeah. We over here by the motherfucking what, baby?
The Hoover Dam.
The Hoover Dam. And it says, danger! Keep off the motherfucking wall. Fuck that. I'm all on it. You know how we tell you niggas. Fuck off. Fuck you if you don't like it. Nigga, it's Hoover Dam shit. Then we're going to leave. Why? Because we ain't doing normal shit. Follow us at MECHYLL. Oh, wait.
Forget how
MECHYVE.
to spell your name.
Oh, wait. MECHYLAVELLE. That's what this heat do to you, nigga. You get retarded. Ain't that right?
Yeah.
And you follow her at,
ML wifey.
cause you're what?
ML's wifey.
Bitch. Yeah, you see him, nigga. D squares, nigga. Google it. Here, look. See that VIN number? Google that. DQ0005. Rest in peace, Matt. Drizzy. Rest in peace, Pac. Rest in peace, all the great ones. And fuck off if you don't like it, bitch. Swag right, I don't swag at all. Hoover Dam shit. You bitch. Look at all the motherfuckers up there. Look at all these rocks we right next to. Look at the ground we go. Look at my baby. Look at her booty. Look at her face. Look at me, nigga. Fuck off, bitch.